Alaskan bush people Amy Brown says, no valid will. What happens now? Hello everyone, my name is Alana B. Welcome to my channel. Before starting the video, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give this video a like. Up the estate, Alaskan bush people star Billy Brown has been unable to stop the breach of contract lawsuit of Robert Maffin. Reportedly, the request to dismiss the case was denied by a Washington judge. According to Maffin, the late Brown's estate owes him as much as $500,000. So what will happen now? Billy Brown of Alaskan bush people sadly passed away in February 2021 after suffering a seizure. This led to Robert Maffin filing a breach of contract lawsuit against the Brown family. According to Maffin, Brown's estate and Alaska Wilderness Family Productions owe him some $500,000. Amy Brown and the lawyers for Billy's estate filed to have the lawsuit dropped due to lack of subject matter jurisdiction. According to the lawyers, the case was wrongly filed in federal court, as they believe it does not have authority to take the probate case. In fact, they asked that the case be moved to a state court, which the Washington judge denied. As noted by The Sun, the judge ruled that federal courts have jurisdiction to entertain suits to determine the rights of creditors, legatees, heir, and other claimants. Moreover, this is so long as the federal court doesn't interfere with the probate proceedings. The judge further ruled that the court is not asked to probate or annul a will, nor is it asked to administer Brown's estate. Maffin, a Tennessee doctor, filed the lawsuit against Brown's estate on April 27, 2021. He claimed that he had signed a contract with Billy Brown in January 2009 and invested $20,000. Apparently, the Alaskan bush people star did agree to pay him 10% of income from sales of books published by Alaska Wilderness Family Publications. Maffin said the contract was valid for the next decade. Meanwhile, Maffin further claimed the existence of a second contract signed with Brown in January 2009. In that contract, the Tennessee doctor would receive 10% of earnings from Alaska Wilderness Family Productions. Moreover, he would receive this for the rest of his life after investing $10,000 in the company. According to Maffin's lawsuit, Brown never paid him based on these contracts before he died in February 2021. In fact, the doctor believes he should receive around $500,000. It was in August 2021 that lawyers for Amy Brown filed to have the case dismissed. Reportedly, this was due to the fact it was filed in federal court rather than state probate court. In response, Brown's lawyers respectfully requested that the court dismiss the case on the basis of lack of prosecution. Meanwhile, Amy filed court documents in April 2021 to become the personal representative of her late husband's estate. Reportedly, the Alaskan bush people star said that no valid will was ever found. Brown went on to list her late husband's assets as $439,000, including 4 parcels of land worth $415,000. Moreover, Brown also apparently had $2,000 in a Wells Fargo bank account. Was Brown's official death certificate, listing his probable cause of death. The document stated that it was likely cardiac arrest, congestive heart failure, and coronary artery disease that killed the reality TV star. Keep up with TV shows Ace for more news about the Brown family on Alaskan bush people. The Brown family saga took a dramatic turn after the death of Billy Brown, patriarch of Alaskan bush people. Without a valid will, Amy Brown, his widow, was appointed as the personal representative of his estate. However, this responsibility has led to complex legal challenges. In April 2021, Dr. Robert Maffin, a Tennessee physician, filed a lawsuit against Billy Brown's estate. Maffin claimed he had entered into 2 contracts with Billy in 2009, investing a total of $30,000 in exchange for 10% of profits from Alaska Wilderness Family Productions and its publications. He alleged that these payments were never made, leading to a claim of approximately $500,000 in out earnings. Amy Brown's legal team sought to dismiss the lawsuit, arguing that the federal court lacked jurisdiction over probate matters. However, a Washington judge denied this request, allowing the case to proceed. Amy's defense contended that Marvin had delayed his claims until after Billy's death, preventing Billy from defending himself. Upon Billy's passing, Amy reported the estate's assets totaling $439,000, which included, however, the estate also had liabilities, including $27,000 in medical bills, reducing the net worth to approximately $412,000. The ongoing legal disputes and financial challenges have cast a shadow over the Brown family's legacy. The cancellation of Alaskan Bush People after 14 seasons was partly influenced by these issues. Despite this, Bear Brown has hinted at a potential spin-off titled Alaskan Bush People Behind the Scenes with Bear Brown. Amidst the legal battles, Amy Brown's health has been a concern. She was recently hospitalized due to severe chest pain and pneumonia. Her children, including Bear and Bird, have rallied around her, providing support during this challenging time. The Brown family's journey is far from over. With Amy Brown at the helm of Billy's estate, the outcome of the $500,000 lawsuit and the family's future endeavors remain uncertain. Fans and observers alike will be watching closely as this story unfolds. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, American Pickers 24, and stay with us.